75,000 euros apartment with 1 bedroom, beautiful views in a hotel complex located in Guatemala, south of Alicante, with beautiful views over Torrevieja and Guatemala. Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you'll find the hottest offers and the best market price in the Alicante region for properties. And today, friends, I'm showing you 1-bed apartments for 75,000 euros and 2-bed apartments for 90,000 euros. Located in a complex or a residential complex which is registered as an apart hotel. So it's not, these are not apartments, these are apart hotels. And you'll be asking me why it's so cheap. It's so cheap because this building on the right is actually a refugee camp for Ukrainian people, for Moroccan people, and they're currently living on in this block. Important to know, it's at the moment. So maybe it will change in the future, but right now it's used as a refugee camp, okay? This hotel or this place is offering pool, children's area, and some stuff more, parking spots, and is located in a very good spot. We have supermarkets close by, the beach is around a kilometer away, we have the Guatemala Center close by. This is not a ghetto area, it's a very nice, good area. We have the N332 on the right side, which will lead you directly to the airport of Alicante within 35 minutes. Beautiful views over the Castillo of Santa Barbara, the Castillo of Guatemala, and yeah, you can see mountains, beautiful views, very green, beautiful. Okay, the inside are pretty standard, so they are mostly the same. You see, this is the living area, we have the kitchen, open plan, and 1 bedroom here, and actually a bathroom with a bathtub. So the apartments are all standards. We have more than 6 for sale right now. So if you want, friends, prices like this aren't existing anymore in the market. If you want something as an investment, to park some money somewhere, you can buy this, and for sure, you will get some benefits out of it, or just come for vacation here time to time. It is safe. I talked to the security guards. He had like several security guards for the refugee camp, and it's safe. So they said never happened anything in this building. They're very nice and very quiet. So yeah, mostly it's Ukrainian and of course Moroccans people, and from Africa, Nigeria, etc. So yeah, subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of videos, and if you like this apartments, down below you'll find my contact details. And as an investor, this is a good opportunity. See you soon, friends, in sunny Spain.